So YouTube, my kid is about to make me dinner, so here we go. I have no idea what she's gonna make.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the plates. Something she's been talking about making me forever. This is so freaking good.
It is.
It is.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
It has to be quiet.
It has to be quiet if we want to do this. Okay, so we have plates. Okay, now we have... Just do one, because I don't know what the hell you're making. Come on, let's go. Okay, we have a tortilla shell. Yay, I eat those. Let's go, bro.
Where are you going, bro?
People don't want to watch a whole long video of you cooking whatever you're cooking and making. Okay, we have what?
Goldfish.
What the beep? Parmesan, goldfish, and a tortilla shell. Okay. Are you seeing this, people? Parmesan, goldfish, and a tortilla shell. Now, why in the heck would I eat this?
Because it's good.
Because it's good. Okay, we're going to try this.
Well, I should probably eat it like this.
Okay, this is going to be terrible.
Shut your mouth. It's going to be delicious.
See how she talks to me? Alright, come on, let me eat this so I can cut this video off. Okay, again. Alright, I'm going to give you this camera so they can watch me bite into this nonsense.
It's not nonsense.
Alright, you take the camera.
Okay.
And let's see what this tastes like.
That's what she said.
Okay, so here we go. This is good.
Yes, it is good.
What the fuck is this?
It's good.
People,
Stop lying to the viewers. It's
don't
good.
let your kids make you this.
Stop lying to the viewers.
It's terrible.